Hey everyone, I'm Troy Sessions here at 60 Inch Club, and wow, what a year we had. We had giant moose taken after giant moose after giant moose. We had some of the biggest studs hunters in America come up here this year, and they got it done. Couldn't believe it. We are so happy for every one of you guys that it was incredible to see the feedback coming in and all the pictures and video footage and testimonies. It was just a great to share that with you guys. So good job for you for getting the job done and making stuff happen. I mean, in Alaska, it can be kind of difficult to endure the hardness of Alaska and the rivers and the rafting and getting stuff done. We come out this year the first time ever with our prototype rafts. We have the Adventure Series raft. We prototyped with our CAD systems, the Explorer rafts and the Tracker rafts, all through CAD software and engineering from our manufacturers. This year, the Great Land was overwhelmingly awesome as well. It was challenging in nature as to we can get in there and check things out and see some giant moose and bulls after bull after bull, including verifying some of our other areas. For those of you that have enrolled in our training program, you already know how to call moose right into camp. And again, here you go. We called this giant bull right into our camp. The fire's going right off to my right side here. Linda's off to my left. The plane's there, the tent's there, and we call this bull within 100 yards into camp, and he outskirts around us about 100 yards. He got about as close as 50 yards, and then you see right there where he's at the plane, and we follow him around the tent, and we quit calling because at some point we didn't want him to get close to the plane and maybe rake the antlers on the wingtips and damage the plane. That plane is our lifeline out of there. But once again, good training with the programs that we have in place. This is proof of what you can do and call them moose right into camp. And it really saves on the pack job of hauling them moose a mile off the mountain down into where you're at, when you can easily call them right to you. We've done it for 2 decades now. Every single year we call big bulls right into camp. We call them from 5 miles away. No, Honey Hole, they got it done. And they got some giant moose that scored pretty well in the books from what they're telling me. And Monarch Lake did well. Oh man, I mean, they got a nice big moose and a black bear, and the testimony that you're seeing is phenomenal. We can't stop playing the footage and just re-rolling it and re-rolling it. We're just happy and feeling blessed that.
Oh, talk about the last hour. It's 10:55.
Caribou Lake did well. Trophy Ridge 1. What a big giant moose there. Trophy Ridge 2. 2 freaking giant moose. And I gotta say, the biggest moose of the year was shot, you got it, with a camera. And here's that footage right now. My goodness, judging from the pans and how wide he is, I believe this bull is probably about 67 plus.
Mass, heavy bull. Stud bull. Hey, that's what we came for.
Hey guys, this is Adam Gander. I just want to talk to you a little bit today about hunting DIY style in Alaska. If you're looking for a great epic adventure, once in a lifetime trip, I highly recommend talking to Troy Sessions with 60 Inch Club.
And I would highly recommend Troy and Linda Sessions with 60 Inch Club. Thank you.